In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on LinkedIn. So the first thing you want to do, obviously, is go to linkedin.com and sign into your account. So once you're here, you can see there's a little box here that says start a post. So there's a few different options here. Once we click start a post, it's going to open up here. And if you want to just type something in, you can do that. Hello and welcome to my LinkedIn. You can type that there. You can put a hashtag here. You can put a little emoji here like this. You can add a photo here. So if you want to add a photo, you can do that. You can add a video. You can create an event. Fill all these details in here. You can go to these dots here, and there's more options here. So you can celebrate an occasion. So whatever your occasion is, you can select it there. You can share that you're hiring. You can create a poll, and you can add a document. This is really good if you want to add like a carousel, and you can find an expert. So if you need help with something, you can do that. Then once you're ready to post it, you can go ahead, select your post settings, so connections only or to anyone. And once you're ready to go ahead, you can just type post here, and you can hear that little chime, and then it's posted. From here, you can like it, you can do all these different ones here, you can comment on it, repost it, or you can even send it to someone. But that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.